You're grieving and need a retreat, so keep watching. Join us for one full week on the beautiful beach in Costa Rica, where we will do deep dive grief work, mindfulness, meditation, and workshops designed specifically to support you through your unique journey in loss and grief. I'm Kitty Howard, and I want to make sure that you get your spot. So click the link below. You can find out more on the website. You can directly connect with me through phone or email and find out more and save your spot today. There are only 10 spots per week, and I want to make sure that you get yours. No matter your loss, we have a spot for you, and we have a special spot for bereaved parents. So join us today, click the link, and don't miss